Now we want to connect the two units, the tablet and the headset. So we're going to need to put in a data SIM card in the SIM card tray, and you'll need a tool, a SIM card tool or a pointy-like object size of a needle. Take out the SIM tray, put in the nano SIM card, goes in the end. It only fits one way, has one corner which is cut off. So it should be easy not to put it in the wrong way. Now put the tray back in. Now in the upper right corner, you will see you have access to the data. Now on the tablet, you can swipe up and find settings. And under connections, we'll go to the mobile hotspot and tethering and activate mobile hotspot. Now you can turn on your headset. On the left side, beneath the USB-C charging port, you'll find the on-off button. Put on your headset and pick up the right controller. Now we want to connect the tablet to the Wi-Fi. So use the meta button, go into the menu and select settings. Now in the left side, scroll up a bit, find Wi-Fi. In this picture, the Wi-Fi is blacked out for security reasons, but you should be able to scroll down a bit and find your Wi-Fi. Insert your password and you're connected.